St. Nick's knives exclusive. Red G10. Blacked out hardware and liners. And CPM-4V with the DLC coating. This just dropped last week. And it goes along with the Shaman, the PM2 G10, and the Lil Native. It's already sold out. $154.95. A little pricey for a Manix 2 G10, but I mean it's a great combo, so it was a no-brainer. Especially since I have the other ones. I don't have social media once again, but I read on the forums, I think, where they let it be known, because a lot of people were complaining why they didn't have, a 1,200 piece run. St. Nick's ordered all these at the same time, without, before, this a couple years ago, I think, before they knew how popular this combination was going to be. They ordered 500 pieces. There was 500 to 550 along with the PM2, the Lil Native and the Shaman. So that's why they've all been small runs, because they ordered them and paid for them a while back. Obviously the secondary market or blade forums is going to be the place now. Any of the exchanges. There are some people that buy them that don't want them. That don't gouge when they go to get rid of it. I like the combination. It makes sense for a Manix to have this kind of steel. Same with the Shaman. Not that you're going to go be batoning this through anything, but I think some of the videos online with the testing with the HRC has been up around the 64 to 65 with really good edge retention. I just like how they blacked out all the hardware on it, including the liners, skeletonized liners. It really is a nice combo. There's the box. I don't know if you can see that. So I also wanted to give a heads up real quick. The rest of the Rex 45s are going to be dropping in the next 3 weeks. The Lil Native is $129.50. The Shaman is $206.50. The Native Chief $171.50, and the Manix 2 Lightweight $122.50. I'll always try to put up a video. I'm going to try to get all of them while they're still available, but I may not, just the way the drops go. But if you're interested in any of these, just be on the lookout now. In the next 3 weeks to a month, I think they're going to be dropping all of them. So I also have another set of Rips Garage Tech. These are red linen Micarta for a PM2. I'm sending these to my buddy Merrick in Indonesia. You can't get this stuff there. So I wanted to show them. I didn't show the scales last time for my green ones on my own knife. So these have not been, put mineral oil on them or anything, but I just wanted to show how nice they look and how well they're done. Obviously these will darken with the colors of, with the oils of your skin, or if you put mineral oil on them like I did. They just wear nice. They're smooth, but they have a nice texture. Just good work. They fit really nice on the knife. They're well cut, well rounded. Just quality product. So I just wanted to show these, in this quick video. I hope Merrick, you enjoy them. Can't wait to see the knife when it's done. Once again, this is mine here, so this is what it's going to look like. He's going to actually put it on the K390 PM2 that I sent him. But they really do come out nice when you see the, the highlighted texture from the oils of your skin. And the grip on them, they go in and out of the pocket really nice. They fit really nice. They're just well done. Anyway, a quick video of the upcoming sprints and the St. Nick's Manix 2 G10 with CPM-4V blade.